In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the light bulb inside your microwave convection oven. This is a GE Profile Advantium 120, and like most microwave, this one will have two lights. It will have a one light below and will have one light on the inside. GE has gone an extra step to make it difficult replacing the light bulb, as your light bulb should be on the inside here, and you would think the easiest way to replace it would be just to have a couple of screws, take the screws off, put the light bulb in. Oh no, we thought, or they thought, they need to make it more complicated. The first thing you're going to need to do is, your microwave might have a different panel. This is a obviously stainless steel up front. You may be plastic, white, whatever. I've seen a lot of these model, even though the model number may be the same or very similar, the code, they might look different, but in principle they're gonna do the same thing. So what you need to do first, and this is the most difficult part, you need to remove this panel, the grill, which is some have screws, mine doesn't. So you might run into that. You might have 3 screws in here, but this one doesn't. I've actually seen the video guy doing this, and his advice was to take the microwave out, which I said I'm not doing that stuff. So this is basically straightforward. You're gonna lift it, kind of squeeze the panel, and it should come off pretty easily. Underneath, when you remove the panel, you might have something like this. I don't know what it serves, what it does, but I've taken mine off and I'm not putting it back on. There's no need for it. And you'll basically might have 3 screws to remove. In order to get to your light bulb, you have to loosen up these 2 screws and lift this plate off. So I just removed those screws, and now you can lift this plate, and I don't know if the camera can show it, the light is right down in there. It's kind of buried in this little cover, you can see that. And I just put so you slide this back in. Again, that's a little tricky part there. It just sits in there. This is the old light bulb. I'll post the model, and this is a G8 type of bulb, and they come in, the old one was 20 watts, but you might not be able to find 20. These are 30, but that's not going to make any difference having 10 watts more. So you might want to buy more than one, because the cost is going to be the same. So I think I bought 5 or 6 of these for like $1 a piece or so, because the good news is, so they say, that both of these lights below the microwave, the counter one, and one inside, the bulbs are the same. So if you replace the one, chances are you're going to be replacing the other one. I'll post the type of the bulb below if you need to order this, whatever. But it's not that difficult to replace. The service call for this is about 130 bucks, more or less, whatever the hourly rate is, plus the part. The part is $1 or a few dollars more. But so there you have it. Let's put this together and see what if the light works again. In case I didn't mention before, of course you want to unplug your microwave before doing any kind of work on the inside, because it is 110 volts, so you don't want to experiment with that. So microwave is plugged back in. The light is on, and the surface lights below works as well. So hope you learned something. This helps you, and check the link below if you need a part, and good luck. Thanks for watching.